welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at an AFC Richmond home shirt. We've looked at the home shirt and an away shirt, I believe, that we've looked at before, but again we've got another home shirt. So the new series of AFC Richmond is coming up. So I think it's in the start of August, so I thought it was worthwhile taking another look at one of the shirts that you're able to buy online. So if you are new around here, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions, by all means leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I will leave a link in the description of this video to the seller, along with a DHGate link as well, so it'll enable you to go and have a look at items from both. The shirt comes in a standard bag. On the flip side, it does have the usual health warnings. Now, I am a real big fan of Ted Lasso. I think it's been an absolutely amazing show. So yeah, really looking forward to the new one that's coming up. And I believe it's about women's football this time, so something slightly different. But yeah, what we'll do now is we'll open this bag and let's have a look at the AFC Richmond home shirt. It's going to be a good one. Okay, so at the front of the shirt, and you've got sort of a ring neck collar line with a nice bright yellow, and the yellow then continues down into the shirt as well. I thought that was a banana then. It's Dubai Air, the sponsor. I'm not actually sure who that kit manufacturer is. Is that a legitimate one? If it is, and you know, then drop me a comment below and let me know, because I'm, not overly sure. The AFC Richmond crest. 1897, so a little bit on the wonk look there. Lower that end than it is that one, but still a really nice shirt. Sponsor of Dubai Air has gone on that lovely, really smooth. Look at the sleeves. Stitching looks good, and on that side it looks good as well. Moving down to the bottom of the shirt, hemline looks all okay. Is that a little bit? Oh no, just a little bit on there, but as I put my hand under it, look, the shirt is quite lightweight, quite see-through as well, but nice material nonetheless. So there's the front of our AFC Richmond Ted Lasso home shirt. Let's flip it around and look at the reverse side now as well. Okay, we're on to the reverse side, and I can tell you what, this little clip is not going to last long at all. It is just a plain blue. But as we move to the collar line, you do have that padding at the top. But yeah, nothing on the back of this one. No name, no number, nothing really at all to call out. Again, if I hold it out, that's probably a little bit better on this side because you haven't got the front colour on it, and you can see my hand relatively well through it. So that gives you a good indication of this lightness of the material, but it's kind of like a silky texture to it as well, which is pretty smart. But yeah, like I said, not a lot to show you on this side. Let's take a look at the inside now as well. Okay, we're on to the inside of the shirt now. On the front inside, quite a lot of loose threads. Look at the yellow, we've got the blue around there. Again, some additional ones there where the stitching is joined. And you've got some of this little card in here. If this doesn't pull off, which that one is a little bit, but if that doesn't come off, my recommendation is just to put some lukewarm water on it. Once you've done that, that will peel off really easy. And the actual AFC Richmond badge, that's got no card on there at all. You can see where the join is up there, which is a pretty tidy join. And the sleeves look fine on that side. And on that side is okay as well. The Dubai Air sponsor was really smooth on the one on the front side, equally as good on this inside. And then down the bottom here we have our washing instructions. The recommendation when washing these sort of shirts is to do as it is now. Flip it inside out. Always put it on a hand wash setting. When you come to dry them, never put them in a tumble dryer. Otherwise items like that Dubai Air, which has been heat pressed on, that will peel off. you just let them hang dry. I did do a video quite a while back where I did put a shirt in the tumble dryer after I'd washed it. It was an England one, and yeah, quite a lot of the items peeled off. But then if you look after your shirts, they will last a good amount of time. So that is the front part. On the inside, let's take a look at the final part of the inside. Okay, in the final part now, we've got our sports performance tag. There was a chap that used to follow this channel who sadly no longer with us. He was never a fan of these sports performance shirts, and when I buy my Blackburn ones, they tend to have sports performance tags on there. So yeah, I always have a little smile when I see them. It makes me think of him. Main material, you've got all the information up here. Size XL. Pushing in, being the dark blue, nothing is overly see-through. But as we had on the outside of the shirt, there's not a lot to really show you on the inside where it is just plain blue. But there is the inside of our AFC Richmond home shirt. And there we have it, our AFC Richmond home shirt, or Ted Lasso, depending on what you know the program is called. Obviously the program is Ted Lasso, but AFC Richmond is the team that the show is all around. Are you looking forward to the new series that's about to come out in August? As I said at the start of the video, it's going to be a slightly different one this time. They're focusing on the women's football, so yeah, should be a really good series. I'm really excited for it. Let me know below, are you looking forward to it as much as I am? Also, let me know, have you purchased any of these AFC Richmond shirts? I don't see many around. I was actually quite surprised. I thought I'd see more people wearing them. But yeah, hardly at all. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions or messages, by all means leave them below. I will leave a link to the seller in the description of this video, along with a link to DHGate for my usual seller from them. As we take a final look at the shirt, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.